guys, thanks for watching our latest vlog. Before you skip to the end, we want to show you how we got this place, how it is now, and then we'll reveal to you all the paint and all the changes that we made. But I want to let you know, we're just kind of showing off our living space and our bedroom because that's what we repainted, kind of redesigned. The boys' bedroom and the bathroom is kind of going to stay the same. It's a little bit of storage, but we'll show you how we got there and we'll show you what it looks like now.
Alright, so we're taking down some windows, and this is what it looks like without a window. So I'm going to have to put some wood filler in here, kind of make those holes nice before we paint those. You can see the dining room. These are going to come off. Really open this place up and not make it look so camper-ish. Alright, there it is off, and there is an exposed window. So one thing we really wanted to do is, you see how bulky these are, and just we don't like the design of these, the brown and the beige, so we're gonna get curtains that are super flush and very skinny to be able to cover those up. I think that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so we got these two off, and we're gonna go for the dining room now, and I tell you what, it already looks so much better. And it's going to look awesome when these walls are white with some nice flush curtains out here to keep out the sun. Oh, it's going to look nice. Oh yeah. Alright, so now we have all the blinds off. And it looks super open. It just looks really open. All that bulk off the windows, and gonna paint it all white. It's going to look so nice. I keep saying that, but there we go. So what we've decided to do is take these long wooden dowels instead, which they're about $3 a piece, and then get these little coat hangers, and then basically get these as close to the wall as we can so that we can just barely put a curtain under there to make this super flush and just take out all that bulk. So what it looks like right now before the walls are painted white, it's just a little hanger, a dowel, connected a second dowel in the middle and just tied some yarn there, and then coming around this way, that's a second dowel, another little hanger right there, because we wanted to really eliminate a lot of the bulk, and those camper blinds come out, you know, 3.5 inches, and that's really a lot of space. So I'm gonna get them super flush. You can see there's a little bit of space down there, and we'll hang up white curtains. And hopefully it'll look pretty good. What do you think, babe?
Oh, I love it so much.
She's a hot mess because we are getting rid of a bunch of... What'd you say?
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no worries. We're getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff while we lighten up the load on the way to Colorado. So this is what it looks like so far. We got to cut down some of these dowels in order to fit on these sides here. Alright, so here's the progress we're kind of making. What I noticed was, you know, these were really too bulky, and there's so much extra material, so this is kind of the look we're going for. So we had to even cut more on the side and then fold it and put tape down. So this is kind of the flatness. We're trying to go for more flat right there. You can see over there it's a lot more bulky. So we got a little bit more work to do on these ones. I'm not sure about this one yet. Maybe we'll just scrunch this one up a little bit more, but yeah, so during the daytime, these will only go, you know, down at night, or, you know, across at night. So let me kind of bulk this. Hold on one second. So that's kind of going to be the openness right there. So nice and open. You know, that will come open too. So just want to show you guys some progress. So when this is all done, we can kind of remember what it looked like and eventually what it is. So let's keep working. Alright, so we are starting the painting. So I wanted to get some before and afters so we know we're going to be painting everything white. Nice and white. So if you want to see some progress, this is kind of where we're at right now. You could see why people who live in an RV want to paint it white, because it's already so much brighter. So I'm just putting a light coat on things right now. You got to give this like these vinyl walls, you have to give them like 3 coats. So just doing some rough painting, rough outlining right now. Obviously I got to go back and like clean up edges and hit it with the paintbrush and do all that. But if I take a step back, you can see how much brighter it already is. So we're gonna keep getting at it little by little. This is definitely not a one-day project. Sorry for the terrible lighting. We're charging our 12 volt right now because we're not plugged in. But here's some more progress we got. We got the, how do you like it, babe?
I love it.
So we got the 2 doors in. So I've decided it's really overwhelming to do this. So we decided to just do one side. So this side is going to be put on pause. And we're going to actually finish the kitchen side. So I basically finished the cabinet. I got to do some more work on the top. We just took out the microwave right there. It's sitting over there in the bedroom. And yeah, so we're going to tape all this off, tape out this whole area, and get a first coat on here today. And then once we're done, then we'll move over here and things won't be so overwhelming because I'm kind of bouncing around trying to put coats on things. It's just going to be easier to do one side at a time. So here's the progress so far. Uh-oh, guys. Shan has a drill.
It's not straight.
Not straight.
I don't know how to go backwards.
Oh, gosh.
How do I go backwards?
Alright, Pangani Tribe, so we are, what is this, like day 3 or 4 painting. And believe it or not, painting an RV is a pretty big undertaking. Because, like, I painted a bunch of, like, rooms and houses before. And all you gotta do is move everything away from the walls, take the pictures down, put up some, you know, filler for the holes, and paint. That's it. Tape it off, tape off the roof, and you're pretty much good. Here, you have to, like, every little crack, every little side, every little tiny thing, you gotta, it's a lot, but Shannon's really liking it. I'm actually really liking it, and it just looks super, super clean. So, just gonna keep painting, and I hope you guys are enjoying the process of watching our RV transform into something a little different. Alright, so basically we still got this completed over here. That wall, this area. We got a first coat going on in the bedroom, the back area. I gotta do another coat here, then put the microwave in. Gotta do the doors for the pantry. I gotta take this door off and actually paint it. And we're gonna kind of stop once we get to this room, and this will be for another time. That's kind of where we're at right now. Alright, update time. So, we're starting to get, look, it's so messy. We're starting to get the kitchen area worked out. Got a few coats back here. But so basically this is going to be like a navy blue, like a matte navy blue. So there's one door, and then over here we got another door. That one's finished. But this will look kind of better once like that garbage is hiding, which we need to clean that up. Electrical panel, took off the cover. The backsplash still down there, and we're gonna do navy blue in the back. Because you know, like when you're cooking, things are always like splashing up, and you know, if it was white, I'm pretty sure it'd get pretty dirty fairly quickly. So, yeah, it's kind of coming along. Shannon went out to get me some lunch because I'm getting pretty hangry. All right, it's update time. So we need to put a few more coats on the front of the bathroom door. We have to put a few more coats up here. We had a little bit of an issue. Down here should be fairly almost done. I gotta do some edge work over there, obviously. It's very cold. It's snowing outside. So I'm gonna put a third coat in our bedroom today and actually start to get these a little white, get some coating on there. But I'm running out of time, and I've got to move fast because we are going to be leaving this spot very soon. Look at the snow outside. So I'm not going to be able to do too much heavy, thick painting today because the walls are cold, and I don't know how well the paint is going to stick, but we'll put a coat on, see what happens.
So here's coming into our bedroom. We've got a few coats on, but not all of them. But it's insane how much white paint just makes the space look so much bigger. Looks awesome, babe. Hey everyone, so we are on to the next side of the camper. He's taking out the window frame because it's easier than taping up the window. We got the couch pulled out, and we're going to paint that whole side behind the couch. We pretty much have everything else pretty much done besides touch-ups, so it's really exciting. We're almost towards the end. And now we have a lot of mess over here that we have moved onto the kitchen table. But we have those curtains up, all that painted, our couch or our seating area put back together, and now Heath is working on this side where the couch goes.
Good job. Thank you, Nene. Watching. We really hope that you enjoyed it and enjoyed watching the process that it took to get it done. I think my favorite part of the whole place is how we added the navy blue in the kitchen, because it just kind of gives it some dimension and something different. In a small space, it's kind of cool to like separate things, make things look like their own areas. So I think that's my favorite part so far, but I'm loving how open it is, and the sunlight beaming in is so bright. It makes everything look bigger, cleaner, and we are just loving living in it. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you'll tune into our next vlogs, and make sure you subscribe.